Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials. Make sure Windows 10 or 11 is active, you're signed into the Microsoft Store, and Windows updates are current. Once done, open Microsoft Store and search for Paint 3D. This is the fastest reinstall path. Click Install and watch progress. If you see a prompt to sign in or update Store, complete it now. Those blockers often stop installs. This step gets the official package back cleanly and avoids manual package handling. If the store route fails, take the alternative path, run WS reset, exe to clear the store cache, then try again. If that still fails, open Command Prompt as administrator and use Widget install Paint 3D to fetch the official installer. Widget handles dependencies. As a deeper option, run PowerShell as admin and add the apps package if you have the apps bundle. Make sure App Installer is enabled and you have an internet connection. These steps resolve permission and cache problems that block normal installs. After installation, launch Paint 3D and test opening, creating and saving a file. This verifies permissions and codecs. Pin the app to start or the taskbar for quick access, and check Microsoft Store library for updates. If you hit errors during install or launch, run System File Checker and dism from an elevated command prompt. sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Next, reset the store with WS reset, exe, and retry the install. That one troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.